Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 3. Let's see what will be our today's topic. It is Unit 1. Reading, word meaning and make sentence. I am telling again, our today's selected topic is Unit 1, reading, word meaning and make sentence. Dear learners, look, this is our lecture number 1 and homework number 1 also on our half yearly 2022 syllabus. That means today this is the first class on English literature. Look, new success with buzzword. We are going to start. We are going to read from this book. It is chapter unit number 1. I am telling you the title of unit number 1. It is At Home Again. Okay? At Home Again. Let's start reading at first. At Home Again. So in page number 2, there is the main passage where we will start reading. Priya and her parents were moving to a new house in a town far, far away. On the day she was leaving, her friends came to say goodbye. She waved her hands sadly and got into the car. They drove for a long time and passed many towns on the way. Priya wondered how her new home would be and if she would have any new friends there. Finally, the car turned into a land and stopped. Here we are, said father. The house looked very old and big. Once everything's in place, it will be lovely, said mother. So look at the picture. Okay, this is white and black picture, but in your buzzword book, okay, here you will see a colorful, nice picture. Her parents started to unload things from the car. Unloads means to take out or remove things from a vehicle, car, bus, etc. or etc. It is see. Now we will go to page number 3. It is Priya opened the front door. It was very quiet and dark and gloomy inside. The empty rooms were big and Priya felt very small. She then went into the kitchen, which was full of unpacked boxes. There was a door on the other side. Priya opened the door and looked outside. There was a big garden full of beautiful flowers. So in these connections, I want to show you a picture. Look, page number 3, there is a nice picture. Beautiful flower gardens and a basket. Inside there is a fluffy kitten. As she looked around, she spotted an old basket. Look here. Some rocks in the far corner of the garden. I wish I had a pet, said Priya. As she went to see what was in the basket, she saw something moved inside. It was a small kitten, a tiny, frightened kitten and dirty fur. It lifted its head and looked at Priya with sad eyes. It looked as if it did not have a friend in the whole world. I will take care of you, said Priya happily. I will be your friend, but first I need to clean you off. She took a wet cloth and started cleaning the kitten's fur with it. She talked to it gently. The kitten looked off. It shook itself and mewed softly. Then it jumped out of Priya's arms and ran around in the garden happily. Priya laughed and followed. Now the kitten was all white and fluffy. It did not look like the sad creatures and Priya had first found. Okay, now we will go to page number 4. Look here. Page number 4, look at the picture. I will call you Fluffy, said Priya and carried the kitten into the house. They ran up and down the stairs and played hide and seek in every corner. The house was not a gloomy place anymore. It was a friendly and happy place. When Priya has got this little tiny kitten, that means the house is no more a gloomy one, rather it has become a friendly and happy place. But by now most of Priya's things were in her room. The room looked beautiful. She wished grandpa was there to see it. He will be so surprised, she said. Then Priya had an idea. She got some paper and a pencil and began to write. So look, there is a small letter. Look here, dear grandpa, my new room looks beautiful. I found a small white kitten in our garden. I called it Fluffy. Fluffy is my new friend. We play many games together. When are you coming to see us? With love, Priya. That means from the passage at home again. Okay, we have understood that means Priya and her parents are living from one place to another to start or to stay in a house where they are going to stay there. That means in the house it is seen that at first Priya thought that it would be gloomy, but after the passage of time it was seen that it was no more gloomy, rather it was a beautiful one when Priya has got a beautiful Fluffy or kitten. So dear students, we have read unit number 1 from our buzzword. Now on this text we have word meaning and making sentence or make sentence. So look here, only 4 word meanings are given. You don't need to learn all which are given in our buzzword book. Only 4 you will memorize. I am telling you again, only 4. Okay, look, title is word meaning, lecture number 1 and homework number 1 also given. It is unload, to take out or remove things from a vehicle, a car or a bus, etc. Gloomy, looking dull because it was badly lit. She spotted, saw or found something suddenly. The Fluffy, soft and white like cotton. These are the 4 word meaning. These are the 4 word meanings. You will learn only these 4, not all. Now we have make sentence or making sentences. Look gloomy, the room looked gloomy. Spot, Priya spotted an old basket. Follow, Priya followed the kitten. Fluffy, Priya got a fluffy kitten. Dear learners, whenever you will learn making sentence, you can prepare make sentence yourself. Okay, it is not, that means it is not the rigid rules that you will directly copy these 4 sentences, rather you can prepare yourself, but you have to write grammatically correct sentences in making sentences part. How many make sentence I have given? Only 4. Please try to learn this make sentence and word meaning properly. So our last thing is homework given. So look, it is word meaning. Word meaning, that means I have already told there are 4 word meaning, and you will do this word meaning as your homework properly, and you will submit this homework on Saturday. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.